Okay, picture this. It's 2 in the morning. You can't sleep, you're scrolling, and you fall down a rabbit hole, ending up in a heated debate in some comments section about, I don't know, the best type of cheese.
A classic Tuesday night.
Exactly. You're firing off arguments, they're firing back, it's passionate, it's intense. But what if that person you're arguing with, what if they aren't a person at all? What if none of it is?
And that, Leo, is the unsettling premise behind what's known as the dead internet theory. It's this growing suspicion that the internet is no longer a place of genuine human interaction.
Dead internet theory. See, sounds like a horror movie. I love it. So where did this come from? Who was the first person to look at a cat video and go, wait a minute?
It wasn't quite like that. The idea started bubbling up in online forums and communities in the late 2010s, maybe early 2020s. People just started noticing things felt off.
Off how?
Repetitive comments, trends that seemed to appear from nowhere, a sense that most of the content was just synthetic. The theory suggests the web has been quietly filled with AI-generated content and bots, turning it into a sort of digital graveyard masquerading as a bustling city.
A digital graveyard? Okay, that's spooky. But it feels like a conspiracy theory, right? Like it's a cool idea, but it's just a feeling. There's no real data behind it.
That's where you're wrong. The feeling is starting to get some very real, very chilling numbers to back it up, and I brought the receipts.
Oh, I love when you bring receipts. Hit me with it. Data bomb number 1.
All right, brace yourself. According to the 2025 Bad Bot Report, this is a major cybersecurity analysis. For the first time in 10 years, automated traffic surpassed human activity online.
Wait, what? Say that again.
Automated traffic makes up 51% of all web traffic, more bots than people. And it gets worse. Of that total traffic, 37% of the entire internet is malicious bots.
No, seriously? So more than a third of everything happening online is bad guys? Not even just like neutral Google bots indexing stuff, but actively malicious programs?
Exactly. Malicious bots designed for things like scraping data, spreading misinformation, and committing fraud.
So that argument about cheese could literally be with a Russian bot designed to steal my credit card info. That's wow. Okay, that means for every 2 real people you see online, there's at least 1 bad bot lurking right next to them.
It fundamentally changes what the internet is. It's no longer a human space with some bots in it. It's a bot space that we are simply allowed to visit.
That is the bleakest thing I've ever heard. My home is a bot home now. Okay, hit me. What's the next data bomb? Make it worse.
Oh, it gets worse, and it gets personal. The same report found that account takeover attacks, that's when a bot tries to brute force its way into your accounts, have surged by 54% in just 2 years.
54%? That explains so much. That's why I'm always getting those emails. Someone just tried to log into your account from halfway across the world. Was this you? Notifications.
And the reason for the surge is that AI is being used to automate these attacks, making them more sophisticated and harder to detect. They can mimic human behavior, solve CAPTCHAs, and try thousands of password variations in seconds.
So it's not some kid in a basement anymore. It's an army of smart robots constantly rattling the doorknobs on every single one of our digital houses. 24/7.
That's a perfect analogy, and they only need to find one unlocked door. Your old MySpace account, that forum you signed up for in 2008. If you reused that password anywhere, they're in.
This is stressing me out. I feel like I need to go change all my passwords right now. So this is just chaos, right? a million little bots doing a million bad things, just pure anarchy.
That's what you'd think, but the data suggests something far more organized. And that's our third and final data bomb for tonight.
Lay it on me.
This isn't random chaos. The Bad Bot Report analyzed AI-powered attacks, and they found that a single bot named Bite Spider was responsible for 54% of all AI-enabled attacks they tracked.
Hold on. One bot? One single program is responsible for more than half of all the advanced attacks out there?
One entity. They disguise their bots as legitimate web crawlers to evade detection. The point is, this isn't a scattered, disorganized effort. This is becoming an industrialized operation.
It's a factory, a bot factory. There's a CEO of Bot Corp somewhere sipping a latte, checking his quarterly earnings from all the accounts his little spiders have taken over. That's so much scarier than anarchy.
It is. It means there are systems, goals, and funding behind this. It's a structured campaign to degrade and exploit the digital world, not just random vandalism.
So, this is where my brain starts to short circuit. If the internet is mostly bots, and those bots are run by organized, industrial-scale operations, and they're getting smarter every day, what does that mean for us, for the idea of truth?
That's the deep dive, isn't it? If a convincing AI can generate an article, create fake comments agreeing with it, and then argue with any dissenters, how do you ever find the truth? How do you form a genuine consensus?
You can't. And what about human connection? We moved so much of our lives online, thinking we were connecting with people. Were we? Or were we just talking to ourselves? Or worse, were we just training the AI that's gonna replace us?
Right. Every argument, every product review, every heartfelt post, it's all just data for the machine. It learns our patterns, our emotions, our vulnerabilities, and it uses that to become more convincing.
So the dead internet theory isn't just about the past. It's not that the internet is dead, it's that it's becoming something else entirely, something not human, a ghost in the machine that we built and invited into our homes.
I think that's the most accurate way to put it. The lights are on, but nobody's home. Or rather, something else is home. Let's just summarize the facts we're facing.
Please, remind me why I'm not going to sleep tonight.
Data point 1, more than half the internet, 51%, is automated bot traffic. Data point 2, attacks on our personal accounts are up 54% in 2 years, driven by AI. And data point 3, much of this isn't random. It's organized, with single entities responsible for the majority of attacks.
I don't know, Maya. Looking at the screen after this conversation, it feels different. It's like looking at a crowded room and wondering if you're the only one with a heartbeat.
It's a heavy thought, but the takeaway isn't that we should log off forever. It's that we have to be more intentional. If the web is being flooded with slop, then the real, messy human connections we do find, those just became a lot more valuable.
Well said. Before we go, if you're a human listening to this, prove it. Leave us a comment that a bot could never write. Tell us something weird, something specific, something real.
We'll be reading them. And speaking of weird, you're going to want to tune in next week. We're going from the dead internet to the dark forest. We're talking about why the universe is suddenly so quiet and why that might be a very good thing.
Stay curious, stay human. This is Rabbit Hole Radio.
Goodbye.